Yo, welcome in. What's up, Jasper? Guest. Metas. Felix, Bitwin. Slender. Welcome in, welcome in. What's up, Drowsy? So today we are going to be adding a couple new towers, and then also I need to not fully redo this, but I need to like essentially polish it just a tad. The eyes don't need to be 4 separate parts, and also the animation when it's in game isn't the best. So I need to polish it a little. Oh, and it doesn't face the correct direction. We need to fix that too. And then we need to add like a health bar and that kind of thing. Yeah. Well, texture. You think on the inside? I can see what it looks like. Easy enough. I don't think so. I bet. Yeah. I think we're gonna start with the Tesla tower. How long does Roblox Analytics take to update? Depends what stat you're looking at. Yeah, I think let's start with the Tesla tower. I've already kind of made a blocky version of this for Crashbot, so I don't think it should be too difficult. Hey, Davidas. Maybe I'll do like something like that. No, I haven't seen the new Avatar movie. I don't know if I'm gonna go see it. I'm kind of lost interest. Hey, Hurless. peak is Tower Defense 2026. We'll see. I think it can do alright. Fusion's much easier to learn. Fusion is much more Roblox, if that makes sense. Yeah, I dropped crash bots. Is a slop enjoyer? Yeah, I think this can do well. I think it's a good idea and simple enough that I can kind of just pump it out. It's been fun to make too. Something like that. I'm actually gonna grab this union and just slam it on here with the 0. Oh. Yeah. Maybe this. Come down a little bit. Done that. Thinking about moving to Godot. I don't have any experience with that, so I don't really have much to say on that front. Something like this, I think, will look nice. This, whoops. And then on the inside, maybe these should be a little bit thinner. Yeah, no, I like these models a lot. They're so simple, but like, I don't know, cool. I like them. I really, really like the look of them. Bless you. Next test. Yeah, I'm him. I don't think there's anything wrong with Roblox, in my opinion. I feel like Roblox is actually like the best spot to be for Unity or for indie developers. I don't know if I'm gonna keep the what's it called? Neon or not. I'm gonna see what it looks like without the neon first. I actually think I should do like something like this, maybe. I don't know. I'm just experimenting. Could maybe look decent. I'm actually gonna union this. I know people are gonna get really angry that I'm gonna do that, but it'll just make my life a lot easier. Yeah, unions aren't that bad anymore. I agree. They get a lot of hate undeservingly. Yeah, they used to be really bad. I think that looks cool. I want to learn everything, animation, modeling, and scripting for solo game. Can I? A lot of work, but you definitely can. Okay, I feel like that's good enough. It's definitely not my favorite one out of all of these, but this ain't bad. I almost feel like the inside needs like light, because I can't even like see it. I guess I'm curious real quick. If I were to change the material here to neon, is that actually any better? Is that better, do you think? Okay, yeah. That's better. How am I today? Doing alright. Kinda just getting started, but doing alright. I think I hurt my pinky yesterday. What are plans for the stream? Make these towers. I need to clean up the slime a little bit. I need to add the health bar to the enemies. And then we'll see from there. Actually make multiple enemies spawn, because right now it's just like a test enemy. Yeah, and we'll see from there. But they're not that bad, Asta. Like, it's actually fine. I think they get too much hate. How do you even show wireframe? Like, that's just normal. Like, I don't think they're any different than a mesh. I do Roblox full time. What are you talking about, Pibble? Awesome. And so. I don't think I changed anything, Pibble. It might just be like the... You're talking about on YouTube? Yeah, YouTube just shows your username, not your display name now. They changed that a while ago. I like that. Super simple. That gets nervous? Like, for what? Is this considered retro slap? Probably. It depends, Jahenso, but for this game, it's for everyone. Each client has a, or each plot has a defense client. I think that looks alright. Let me... I don't think I need anything else. No, just math test. Okay, let's create... Compute efficiency. I think I only looked at that once when it came out. I can check what tower defense RNG is. I have no idea. I don't even know what would be considered. That's in like what, performance? No. Where even is that? The compute efficiency. It's tremendous. Oh, you have to go to server. This is mine. You can't even see. For tower defense RNG. I don't think I've ever even looked at these stats before. What? Oh, that's funny. The y-axis going, the total range is 0.01 in between each step. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, I think the explanation there was that 100 is the baseline and you want to be around that, I would assume. Yeah, this is going to be an absurdly easy tower defense game. That's not the actual name, though, of the game. That's just the internal name. I haven't come up with the name yet. Let me create a... Tesla, and then let me go and grab... It's nice that I don't really need to make all of these from scratch again. I have it on my GitHub, the gen feature tree. I use janitor because that one, the name makes sense to me. Right. Yeah, I feel like they're all so simple. Or so similar, not simple. I mean, they're all simple too, but... Looking for... lightning. Unless it's just a part of this? No. Assets misc. Lightning bolts. Okay. VFX base. Cool. And then inside of here. I'm just gonna do this for now because so Tesla does target 3 enemies, but I don't know if I'm gonna keep it like that. GPU do I have? It's a 3070 Ti. What's up, Cope? The Lua language server plugin? No, I don't. I don't really interact with things in the workspace very often or instances, so it's just not worth the effort for me. I'm just gonna hope that this just like works. I don't see why it wouldn't. I'm just basically copying the VFX from Tower Defense RNG for it. Yeah, what I was saying though is that like, oh, I need to make the root. There is like, I don't know if I want towers to have like special effects. Like for example, in my previous games, Tesla has had like attacks 3 enemies in like a chain of lightning. I don't think I'm gonna do that anymore. For this game specifically. Just because I want everything to be so stupid simple. Like, why does this tower have different mechanics than other towers? I don't know. So, and I just want it to be like the number that you see is the damage it does. And then it just like gets weird, like, oh, but it attacks multiple enemies. Do I show the damage times 3? Like, yada yada yada, you know what I mean? I don't know. That's an Arthro. I don't know. I'm not gonna play any games right now. Sorry. Maybe at the end of the stream. I love both of my children. Yeah, we gotta clean this up too. Where your cat's at? Sleeping here. You have kids? No. I'm talking about my kit and my cats. Bruh. When they reach the red square, they just are removed. That's just like the end. There is no losing in this game. We still need to make the animation actually roll the item that you rolled, but... Bro, please give me a Tesla. Oh my god. A remove animation? Probably not. Please. Oh my god. Where do you get the models for the game? I make them. It's like what, a 1 in 5? How many towers we got? Yeah, but I'm too lazy to do that. I'd rather just gamble. Dude, are you kidding? Oh my goodness. Oh, we got one. Okay. Yeah, I need to set this too. Oh, we got another. Okay, cool. How you do the animation for opening crate? We did that on stream. Like 2 streams ago, I think. Yeah, we need to clean this up. I actually don't like how it looks. It doesn't work. What? We're just not attacking it. Interesting. What? That is weird. Oh! I never ran this gen feature tree, so this script doesn't even exist. Genius. Alright. Essentially, yeah. Oh, we still have minigun stats on this. I don't know. Yeah, cool. Yeah, it's going to the bottom because that's where the root is, but I'm gonna fix that hopefully soon. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remake this, but in like a smarter way. I want all of the eyes to be one part, so I'm just gonna remove the joints on all of them. I just sponsor them. I want like eyes outer and eyes inner. So their eyes black, and then eyes white. And then what I'm gonna do is constraint these there. Yeah, it didn't make a difference. I thought it would make it go like way quicker, but it didn't really matter. Which is honestly a bit surprising to me, but oh well. It maybe was like a day faster. I just think it just needs the time. Okay, hold on. Base part would be, I guess, outer to eyes black. Yeah. And then eyes black. No shadow. Okay. I think this, what we need to do is that. Eyes black. Yeah, and then avatar animation at all. Okay. Let me import from Roblox. Deviant. Why is my time step so terrible? What the heck? What is with the time step? That's gotta be bugged. Why is my frame rate 70? Or 7 FPS? Interesting. The eyes need to move along. Thanks. Okay. My concern is that it actually didn't look that good in game. Okay, like I did what I wanted to do, which was make the eyes just one part. So this is like better, and maybe I just need to go with it. Because it doesn't matter. Oh, actually what I need to do is make it move backwards as it was. Right. Are the eyes squishing out? No, the eyes aren't going to squish, unfortunately. But I think it's fine. What I need to do, though, is make this, like... Basically, it needs to move back as it goes forward. And then only go forward when it's in the air. I don't know if that makes sense. Like right here, this needs to basically move back. And then, so like right here, it needs to be here. Oh. I just delete that. Maybe not. Like what? Where even are they? Dude, I'm just gonna line it up. It's fine. And then, like, genuinely, I feel like this is gonna mess up everything. Should be, like, 2 studs this way. Go 2 studs back. 2 studs forward. And we're at the peak here. And then... does that just work? Oh, no, it doesn't. How did I just do that? I didn't realize I could do it. Oh. Okay, where are my eyes? And then this needs to be, yeah, okay. What? Is this actually moving forward at all? Or is it just going down? Yeah, it is. Okay, hold on. I think everything here needs to just like go forward a little bit more. There we go. Where are my eyes? My eyes keep on disappearing. My eyes. Dude, where are my eyes? There we go. And like if I really want to, we could mess around with like like angles and stuff. I'm not gonna, but we need to do one other thing. Root attachment. Yeah, something like that. Yep. I don't know, dude. I don't know. I think I'm gonna have issues. Oh, jeez. The issue, like, is that the enemy is technically always moving. So, like, there's gonna be, like, a visual desync because the animation is affecting where it is, too. Which I don't really like. You know what I mean? Like, how about I just do a non-jumping one? Even though I spent all that time making a jumping animation, like... You guys are gonna roast me. I actually think the jumping is bad. It's not, though. It actually causes issues. Because either the enemy is just gonna be flipping on the ground... Like, what if we just gave it, like, little jiggles, you know? Yeah, I can try. I feel like that actually could work. Like a tilted forward kind of jiggle. Let me try it out. Give me a sec. I gotta restart it actually. This slime won't have a trail. Unfortunately. What happens if I rotate this? Whoa. Bones are so weird, dude. Aren't you weld the eyes to the body? Because I'm using bones. It's... If you guys have never used bones before, like... It just doesn't make sense. You can't weld things. You can't, like... Welding to the body would do nothing right now. You don't understand. You don't understand. I can't just weld it. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Like welding is not an option. I have to do it this way. And then that's fine. Ah! I don't think it's jiggly enough. Infinite. I also wanted to like kind of move left and right a little bit. Which now that I say that, I should rake this a little differently. I'm gonna name this main, and then I'm gonna create root. And then root to main. This is still to main, yeah. Why does that not work? Anchored. What? Why does that actually not work? Main. What? I don't know why that wasn't showing just a second ago, but okay. Okay, so now everything is a child of main, basically, which means we can do like just, if we just select main, we can move it side to side, up and down really easily. So we can get like basic jiggle here, and then we can do kind of side to side sways using main. I just want to see what this looks like real quick. Oh. Like something like that. It didn't move like more to the front. What do you mean? It'll move forward like automatically because it's. Yeah, it definitely could, like, since we're going left here, we take this and kind of do, like, what should I do? 5 degrees. 5 degrees. Yeah, I like that. You gotta shift the eyes a little bit with it, but... I think that's decent. I think the jumping probably would have looked better, but like it would have actually been bad because like what's happening with the jumping animation is that the enemy is always moving. So if the animation is like offsetting the movement, what's going to happen is the animation's going to be over here, but you're actually going to be in this spot, if that makes sense. So the towers would be shooting kind of like towards here, or it'll look like the enemy's not in range when they actually are, or they're out of range and they're not, and like it'll just lead to weird things. And then also like if you attack something that's mid-jump, it'll look like you're firing up here, but then by the time your bullet gets there, it's going to be down here. Yeah, the visuals would desync with the position with the jump, which is why I don't think jump is the play. I think I like this, though. Pretty cute. What are we on? Slime 5? Yeah, you can, but I didn't want to replace it. But you can animate, you can replace. Oh, I named it enemy 2 instead of just enemy. Oh god, and now we need to RNG get on the correct side because the enemy isn't facing the correct direction. God damn it. That's another thing I need to fix. It's not the eyes, it's just, it's facing literally the wrong direction. God damn it. Come on, 50-50 chance. The animation is not playing. Why? Okay, let me make it so that they actually look. Well, actually, I'm not gonna do that right now. Why did that not play? Felt like that should have played. Was it not looped? Did I not loop it? Yeah, I am using React. What? Did I not get the right animation? I'm confused. Huh? There we go. Yeah, it's cute. I don't know why. I think it like didn't update the animation ID or something. I don't know. Ugh. Okay. Let's make it so that they actually face the correct direction and then make it not bad. That would be a good start. And then we can add the health bar. Yep. Path utils? Yeah. I'm just gonna tell ChatGPT to fix this. Big brain strats. This is like the perfect example of when to use ChatGPT though. Alright. Dropping down to dirt monster level. You have multiple React roots in a setup file for different UIs? Or do you have it all under one screen GUI? Typically for React Lua, you want to only have one root. I honestly don't know the implementation details why. That's just what I've heard. But that doesn't mean you can only have one screen GUI or one billboard GUI or whatever. Like what I do here. This may be a bad example. Let me actually go into Crashbot's code real quick and I'll show you. If I go to root UI, I'm turning a fragment and like these are different like screen GUIs. You can kind of see here. Like you can return multiple screen GUIs under one's root, if that makes sense. Why are you saying GUI is GUI? That's how it's pronounced. How else would it be pronounced? I mean, I hope that works. And then inside of the client, instead of get position, or I mean, I feel like I want to keep the C frame now instead of position. Like, I don't even want to have a pause here. I'd rather just have a C frame. And then this will cause a whole heap of issues. That's fine. And then in here, self C frame, get C frame from distance. To here. That. And then inside of like, I basically want enemy.pause. Enemy server, we're gonna come back to the server side in just a sec. And then instead of doing enemy.pause, we'll just do enemy get position, basically. Like so. And then, so on the server, let me go to enemy server. And I guess we don't need the C-frame on the server, though. Because server, essentially, everything's just a dot. It's just 2D. Yeah, that's actually fine, now that I think about it. We only need C-frame on client. Use vector create, please. Why? What's actually the difference? I don't think I've ever done vector. I didn't even know that was a thing. In get position, you type check to vector 3. Yeah. And? Oh. Oh. Oops. Crazy progress for only like a week. Yeah, I think so. Okay. So what do we need now? We need, let's just spawn an enemy every 3 seconds or something. Um, yeah, they're definitely like sinking into the ground a little bit. I think so, Deviant. I hope so. Oh, I did too much. I don't love the way they look from the back, but I don't know if that really matters. Probably not. I think once they have a health bar, it'll look a little bit better. It's just too much. Like that, I guess. Yeah, that's close enough. Okay, let's add a health bar. What should the health bar look like? Classic. Bro, Roblox, please let me in. Use charm for the health bar. I could. What the hell? I can open other projects, just not that project. What the heck? Yeah, so many different options. Did I steal tower defense RNG? Yeah, because I own it. Why game? You're running a loop on the server, say running every 5 seconds. How would you code it? On a task and wait. You heartbeat with the throttle. Depends on the context. If something like tower defense, you want to spawn an enemy every 5 seconds, I would do it. You have like a global loop. I know I just made a literal this was just temporary. If it's just like, oh, I want to check where the character's position is every 5 seconds, then I would just do some like 5-second while loop. Health bar. What are you thinking? Canvas group? That's absurd. I already hate where you're going. Canvas group. Can't believe you just said those words to me. Ask why canvas groups are so hated. They're extremely memory heavy. Anytime anything changes in a canvas group, it's essentially like creating its own image. And then if it's like a low memory device, it'll just straight up not load canvas groups. If they're like low on memory. I've been to RDC 4 times. Or does Roblox even have them at that point? They tried to fix the issues with frames, but it just had more issues. And to be fair, they did fix and add some really nice functionality. But it just comes with, like, horrible performance. I normally would code the UI for billboards using React, but for billboards that are like constantly being spawning, or just in general, things that are constantly being spawning, like these, and having to then be like parented to instances and that kind of thing, it kind of sucks to do that with React. So I'm just gonna do this. It's easy enough. Even though I hate doing it like this, it's really whatever. Is using gradient better than just tuning the size of the frame? I honestly don't know in terms of performance, but I would assume using a gradient would be better than having 2 frame instances. I had to guess. Just basic experimentation, but nothing crazy, you know? Thoughts on this? Are you listening to the same stream music? No, I'm listening to something else. Eek. It's good. We could change like the background of like this. I don't know. Like honestly, white looks fine. The deviant. Oh, you mean like on this frame? I'd have to do like one sec. He's asleep. I mean, what we could do is just add an extra frame behind this. Would probably be way more efficient than having a stroke. That's to calculate strokes. Wouldn't have to calculate this. I think something like this is fun. You work on the game off stream? Barely. I've done like 95% of this on stream. I like the look of this. It's super simple, but that's kind of the whole genre of this game. A beetle. When's your Go release date? I have no idea. I haven't thought about that. Oh, you need to say like distant. More like tower defense RNG. Like there's set spots. Here, I'll show you. Give me a sec. Honestly, lots of similarities to tower defense RNG. Just like way more kid friendly. And sloppy. No slime jump animation from last stream. Yeah, I had to get rid of it. Because it wouldn't really work. It was just like gonna cause issues. Because if the slime is like jumping, that means it's only moving during the jump. But like technically it's always moving in math, but then there'd be like a visual desync, if that makes sense. Open to testing yet? No. You shouldn't. Yeah, I made the tower models on stream. I literally made the Tesla one at the start of the stream. It was cool. Yeah, it was cool, but it was causing issues. Yeah, I don't know if I'm loving the, like, planted forward. I mean, maybe? I don't know, actually. It's weird. I'll have to mess with it. Like you're using stretch res. Yeah. It is kind of weird. Didn't really do the effect I wanted. Maybe we just scrap that, but we don't need to worry about that right now. just gonna make a function here that's just update. Me client update HP bar. Health percent. HP text. Let's be self.hp. Abbreviate self HP. Yeah. And then I need to grab a different file here. It's like gradient percent to number sequence. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have to slightly change that. I'm just gonna make a local function here. Local function percent to gradient. If percent is greater than or equal to 0.995. What do we got here? $98,255. Else if percent is less than or equal to 255 4710. 255 4710. If you're at 100% health, let's say you're at 75% health, we would go 2%. And then we would do percent plus 0.01. Red. And that should work fine, I believe. Oh. Okay, and then self dot HP bar dot health dot text is that, and dot frame dot health fixes that. Self to HP bar frame dot bar dot UI gradient dot color. That works. Nice. I don't know why we're not destroying those. I'm not liking the stroke on it either, but... Oh, less than or equal to. Genius. Easy fix, though. Let me make the... enemy... background. It's too much work. I feel like the background actually should be like basically not visible unless there's just a plain white right behind it. Yeah. When you add sound effects? There actually already is sound effects. You just can't hear it. Yeah, so when I like go to the sun, you can kind of see the stroke. Like a plain white background, but when it's just normal, you can't really see it. Which is what I want. I think using the gradient is probably a little bit better than having multiple instances and like changing size, but different approaches. I don't know why. Okay, cool. That's awesome, actually. Enemy health bar done. Tesla done. Enemy look done. I mean, we'll obviously have to like have different kinds of enemies, like. But I think what I'm gonna do is kind of just generate those based off of like color and size. Looking good though. I have no idea. The thing is, it's so weird because like, kind of just started this project, but it already seems like so much of it's already done. It's hard to say like how long I think. I feel like when like you're far away, the slimes actually look so funny. I kind of love that. Obviously, we got a lot of balancing and like progression to do. Other mobs playing that? I mean, genuinely, probably just slimes. Like, some bigger, different color, yada yada yada. This is gonna be like an extremely simple tower defense game. I'm not gonna add like summoners and like whatever. There won't be any like special effect enemies, at least initially. Like I want this to be like literally a 5-year-old's favorite tower defense game. No brain required. Which I know won't like appeal to some people. I definitely understand that. But oh well. Yeah, Tish. Cash grab game, yeah. LD, go to the stream like 2, maybe 3 days ago. I made that on stream, that animation. Game to get inspiration from. This is inspired from my fishing brain rots and my tycoon farm. That's actually just a material variant. Why do I want to do Orb of Light? It's actually kind of tricky. Maybe I'll do like something like this. Yeah, I'm liking that. Yeah, this one definitely seems challenging. I don't really know. Challenging to do in like this stud style. I think simpler is gonna be better here. I'm trying to think. Maybe these should be like. I think you want to go for like this white. What I want to say is. Honestly, Tish, I'm not sure. I haven't been in that position in a very long time, so I don't really know what I would do. I know the Roblox docs have a lot. I think you just need to like literally try and make something. Make a project. And you're gonna fail and you're not gonna know what to do, but that's gonna be the best way to learn. And you're gonna be confused. Do you expect this to make anything? Yeah, I do. My fishing brain rods and my tycoon farm both have very good ARPDAO. And my Tarthan's RNG game, which this is honestly quite similar to, has insane ARPDAO. When I was actively updating Tarthan's RNG, I had 10 ARPDAO on it. And the guy was talking in chat the other day that made my tycoon farm, which is similar game loop to this, and it had 6 ARPDAO. And my fishing brain rods is obviously making an absurd amount. Just see that on the top earning. ARPDAO is considered good. Depends on the genre, but typically anything above 2 is like solid. But I think I would strive for a lot more. My fishing brain rod, yours, no. I wish. True. I mean, I think that goes for like everything, not even just scripting though. Just students in general. Of anything. Over the top on the shop UI. I'll have some tricks up my sleeve, yeah. Oh. Combat shooter for first game is that a good idea? No. But if that's what you want to do, you're gonna struggle and you're gonna fail. You'll learn a lot. Yeah, this is called Orb of Light. It shoots out like beams of light. Actually, let me just grab this. Dude, I don't know how I'm gonna do this one. Like that? Your highest ARPDAU? Like peak ever? It would have been Tower Defense RNG last Christmas. I think it was like close to 30. Yeah, Roblox my full-time job. It was here. This was not this most recent Christmas, but the Christmas before. Like a year and 20 days ago or whatever. 28 ARPDAU. This is my best day ever. Gotta make sure you are saving your scripts. What is ARPDAU? Average revenue per daily active user. How much money you make, basically. Per player. Dude, I don't know how I'm supposed to do this, actually. Make sure your row host connected then. That's not that bad, but it also doesn't look like that crazy either. I feel like I need the ring around it. Like how? Way too thick. Oh. Hold on. Let me try taking this. Paste there. Like, how do I not make this ring just absolutely massive? You know, I could do the ring this way instead. That would actually work. Thoughts? That's actually not bad. could work. I see what you mean, yeah. Honestly happy with what I have now. I might just go with what I have though. That actually could have worked. Yeah, I'm happy with this. This is good enough. Nice. And then I'm gonna grab the orb of light, which is super easy. Nice. Don't even need to aim. Orb of light, yes. I have no idea, Trey. Self model center. Attachment. No, start. Speed mod. Alright, see if that works. How much work did you get done off camera? Barely any. I haven't really done much off stream. For this game. I'm sure I will at some point, but... Oh nice, where'd it go? I think it's just model center beam, right? Attachment. Oh. It's dot start. Beam and slashes. You'll hurt its feelings. Nice. It's nice that I can just reuse all of the VFX from Tournaments RNG. In Tournaments RNG, just reused a lot of the VFX from Defenders Depot 2. And Defenders Depot 2 just reused a lot of the VFX from Defenders Depot 1. Balance the damage? No. At some point. Yeah, looking good. I like that. Another tower down. We already have 7 towers. That's kind of crazy. We're using. Thanks, bro. How many towers are you aiming for on release? I have no idea. Absolutely no idea. We still have a lot from Tower Defense RNG. We just did Tesla, Orb of Light, Laser Blaster, Flamethrower, Rocket Launcher, Dual Shot, Inferno, Plasma, Volcano. This is called something. Orb of Darkness. This is called something. I can't remember. Hydro Blaster. Retribution. Forget what this is called. Obliterator. Photon Beam. Or Photon Blaster. Forget what this is called. Super Tesla. Magnet something. Acid Spewer. Forget what this is called. Forget what this is called. So those ones from Tower Defense RNG. And then those are the ones that are actually only in the game. There are other ones that never got added. But obviously I'm not... Probably wouldn't add all of those on release. Those are just ones that will be like super easy because I already have like exact references I can pull in. Like this, for example, isn't in the game. This isn't in the game. This isn't in the game. Like shooter isn't in the game. This isn't in the game. Yeah, I decided on slimes. Yeah, they should look a little bit cooler the rarer they are. And then they'll obviously say like legendary, whatever. Something I need to look into is how mutations work also. Thanks, Cole. I think I'm gonna get rid of the... It's like so pushed forward, it looks so slanted. We'll do like a little death VFX also. So they'll kind of like explode when they're dead. He's so chopped. Does chop mean bad or good? Bad? Oh. Yeah, I think it's fine. Yeah, and then we obviously need to have like UI for coins, that kind of thing. Need to actually finish the inventory with icons. Add upgrades to here. You have a railgun. In Tower Defense RNG we do, yeah. Yeah, the stream is ending right now. But got some good stuff done today. Actually got our enemies in. Got a couple towers added. Got the health bar. Got some good stuff. Yes, yes, yes. Alright, cool. I'm gonna end it here. Derp's not streaming, so L. Hey, Wordle or speedrun Minecraft? No speedrun Minecraft? I can do a Minecraft speedrun. How about that? If you're only here for me to code, you can leave. I gotta lock in though. Dude, I hurt my pinky yesterday playing Minecraft. I'm not even joking. How dumb is that? Like, unironically hurt my pinky. Yeah, my pinky. Because I use, like, it's on control non-stop. Oh no, decent. That sucks. I need to stretch out my pinky. Will beat your slowest speedrun. Does it say what your slowest is? Statistics. My best is 1642. My slowest in ranked is probably like 35, if I had to guess. I've only been playing Minecraft for. I mean, I've been doing the rank speedruns for not very long. But, I mean, I've been playing Minecraft forever. Desert Temple Seed. Guys, a chatter. Oh, dude, I didn't switch the right mouse setting. Okay. A battle royale. No, it's just a 1v1. Whoever beats the game first wins. Dude, if this skeleton lands on me, okay. Oh, you can't hear the game. That's tough. Behind the blue one. Ah, no! Actually, that was so dumb. Minus 3 seconds. Oh, dude, what am I doing? I have TNT. Dude, I'm not doing good. Um, 1, 2, 3. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, throw out all this junk. That's fine. That there. Keep that. Okay. I need flint. I need water. And some food would be nice if I can find some. Flint will probably be over by this river. He already got hot stuff. Okay, interesting, interesting. Does he have flint already? Gravel over here. Please. He sent a draw vote. Dude. Please. Thank you. I think that means he died, probably. I'm probably going with food. I have 40 rotten flesh. You know, that kind of sucks, but... Easy portal. Boom, boom. Oh. We should head to the nether. Thank you. Find the bastion. Oh my god. E70? I think that means it's a stables, right? Wait, he never even entered the nether. He probably never found flint. Kind of scary. I never grabbed lava. That kind of sucks. I'm gonna like dig in to hopefully a chest. Yeah. Get these, put that on. And then we're chilling. I can't tell what this is. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's stables. Which I do this for. Stable's my least favorite. Like, easily. What? Dude, they are nowhere to be found. Found them. Dude, how do I get down? I always struggle in stables. Found it. How do I get down from here? Oh, right here, right here. No. Where's the gap? Stables is by far my worst one. Like, where are the stairs? Dude, am I blind? Found it. Okay, good gap. Wait, no, bad gap. Yeah. It means the other one's a good gap. Okay. That means I have to go up the stairs, and there should be some goodies. Okay, buddy. We're just gonna do a little bit of this. Oh my god. Dude. What? Where did he come from? Dude. This is so scuffed. Stable's just so bad for me. I feel like I always get the worst seeds on stream. You guys probably think I suck. I do feel like stables is so bad though. Okay. Did anyone see the fortress? Five, 1, 1, 3. Oh my god, that is a far fortress. I think that means it's that way, I believe. Yes, okay. Don't need that, don't need that. Boom, boom. Dude, I have like no string. That kind of sucks. Okay. Gotta go. Good for a beginner, thank you. Ah! I see it. I shouldn't have thrown out the glowstone, because now I have like 2 beds. Dude. I'll try and go there, I guess. I have no food. So bad. I do have a golden apple. I should have used that. I'm just gonna build up here. I'm gonna use the golden apple though. I never grabbed lava, which kind of sucked. Otherwise, I could have killed. I have this, which is better than rotten flesh though. That's the bad part. Where's the spawner? Oh. I rest for a minute 20. No. What do we need? 50 seconds on fire res. I would TNT the spawner, but I don't really want to. I don't think I'm good enough for that. When it's open like this. And I don't need to, because I already have 4 rods, I think. I have 18 obby. Oh my god. That's not good. Dude, what? That's actually so bad. Not entirely sure what to do now. Hopefully it's just close. Those are not good numbers. I could search the fortress for obby or go back to the bastion, potentially. Bastion wasn't that far from here. Maybe I just go back to the bastion. It's 1,300 blocks. I'm not grabbing that. I think I'm gonna go back to the bastion, get the last 2 obby. Which I probably just need to check a chest in the stables part. Am I out? No, I need one more. Let me do this too. Make boom boom. I need, you know, I don't actually need that. Boom. That wither skeleton's freaking me out. Thing is, I have bad food, so I'm gonna have to pearl a lot because I have to go back. Calm down, please. You. Just one more. Bro. What else do I need? I have 2 beds. That's not good. Yeah, whatever. That's all I need. That's 12. I just am insanely low on food. Angle 158. So it's actually back where I'm going anyways. This should just be back towards the bastion, I believe. I could E-right just to make sure. I think I just didn't find this train last time. Surely, right? Insane pearl. I just gotta look for a chest. I did trade like 5 gold to the Wouldn't there be a chest like I never grabbed the chest at the bottom of the stairs. I just remembered that. Please. Okay. Those are... Where's the stairs? There. Please. You're joking. I grabbed that chest. There could be one... There could be one... What's it called? Block up here. There's not. I don't know where the backups are. I don't know... I didn't loot the... It was single, triple. I didn't loot the single, right? It's like right up here. Or is this the triple? I looted this, didn't I? Wait. I don't think I did. Yup. We're out. I looted this. Dude, I didn't even see this other triple. I didn't realize it was double triple. I thought it was single triple. Okay. We need to go that way. $200. Negative 130, 200. Wait. Negative 130. 200. Here. I'm scared I'm gonna fall and die. We're good here. I want to get to it like at least 45. I'll do there. 8, entity distance 50. And then we'll do game render, level, entities. That's a decent spike right there. I think I like that spike. There's an issue though. I need to find the library. He also found the stronghold. I have 2 beds. Dude, I should not have thrown out that, whatever it's called, the glowstone. I actually threw by doing that. I knew as soon as I did it, it was... Oh, okay. Both the libraries are right here. Maybe saved? Thing is, he's in the stronghold right now, too. This is gonna be close. I'm sure he's farming string right now, too. Okay, still not in yet. Just good, good, good. I think that's all the string. What does that put me at? 15. Whoops. I don't know how to get rid of this. Thank you. That's... Bro, I did that last time. Dude. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know if I'm comfortable with that. I need like one more bed. And then I'd be chilling. Fuck off. He's still not in. Let me eat and then... Oh, these zombies need to get away from me. Where are they coming from? He's still not in. Let me... I could hunger reset really quick. I think it's gonna be worth it. Oh, okay, never mind. Bro! I'm gonna hunger reset. See, dude, he got in. I might have just thrown. We're in, like, neck and neck. I don't think I should pearl. Let me just get rid of, like, everything that I don't need. Don't need that. He's perching? Okay, I haven't won yet. I haven't won yet. I haven't won yet. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Let's go! Let's go. Okay, okay, okay. He must have been close. He must have been close. That was fun. That was fun. There's just 100 new towers. Oh god. Over 1k. Yeah, back over 1k. I've been over 1k once before, but dude, that was stressful. I know. No, that was stressful. I'll play one more on stream, but yeah, I'll play one more. I'm gonna change the title though. Okay. I feel like people come in here and get mad. Yeah. Oh, dude, that was stressful. That was probably super close. Because he got in there before me, but I got a really quick perch. But I also hit the one cycle. Alt F4 after that. I thought I was playing casual Minecraft, bro. See you, chill. Dead cues. Guess exactly what the stronghold is? No, it's like there's like a trick that you do. It's like there's like a calculator bot thing. Alright. I'm against Sync Skills HD. Here, I'll let you guys hear. You're welcome. Hopefully that's loud enough. Shipwreck. Oh. Sometimes I never see the shipwrecks, and then I'm behind by like an hour. Just randomly. Oh, dude, there's a village. You see that? And a ruin portal right there. That is really weird. There's one extra iron if I need it. I don't. Three. Two, three. And then back here, here. I don't know if I should go to that village. Probably not. Like, is this just my enter? I didn't see. It is. This actually looks super fake. Is this real? Hey! I'm so sorry. Bro, what? What did I just do? I did say there was an extra iron. Oh my god. I've never seen that one. Never done that before. Gonna be honest with you. That's crazy. I also never got flint, which is pretty important. Dude, I'm gonna die. Dude, this is so scuffed. Dude, now wait. I actually threw. I don't have enough flint to make a flint and steel. Unless there's a flint and steel in this. Where's the chest? Dude, I actually might have to reset the seed. Dude, I actually can't believe I did that. Okay, we're just starting 3 minutes behind. It's fine. Watch out for the Q key this time, yeah. Why did I do that? 2, 3. Thing is, this seed would have been so fast too. Okay, actually, good. Then I'll just put my doors down right here. Get my iron. And hope this is enterable. Need one more block. Awkward. So awkward. Yeah, whatever. He just got into the bastion. It's right here. So, like, I'm really not that far behind if you think about it. I don't really want to waste all my wood. What is this? Bridge? No, I get into this? Stables again. I hate stables. That's not where the stairs are. Okay. Okay, this is good gap. Means there will be gold here. I accidentally threw my flint and steel down there. I have 7 carrots, which means I can make golden carrots and I'll be chilling on food. Get this gold. I think I should make the golden carrots before I die. To be completely honest. Actually, I'm gonna eat this. Jump boost. Okay. And trade, and let's go check the chests. Okay, we'll definitely have enough glowstone for some stuff. Let's see if this is a good gap or bad. That means that's a bad gap. Okay. Yeah, you go there. Check the chest. That means there's also 4 gold up here. I could make another ingot like that. We're gonna be really low on supplies here. Like, really low. There's barely any of anything. I can go grab the gold. Ah, chest over here, right? Where's there? I don't actually know how this works. Is there a chest over here? There is. What? Okay, well, it was the worst chest of all time. There should be gold right over here. Okay, that's 42 more gold. I'm just gonna go down all the way back to here and just feed them the golds. There's one up here that I forgot. Dude, keep on doing that. Okay. I never saw the fortress, so I need a pyrite for that. And this. tons of glowstone. We have enough obby. Good on that. Tons of string even. Okay. Okay, let's see where this is. 4113. It's close. 10. Up to 9. Trunk borders on. Not that way. Growth. This way? No, okay. So it's that way. Up render distance. Okay, they're out of gold. What else you got? Okay. Oh, shiny is what he just got, which usually means that he dies. How do I get out of here? I think we're chilling on like everything then. Yup. We can go on there. Look at that. Our death didn't mean anything. Good strays. We can make a portal. 1, 2. That's fine. What do we not need? That we can use this. Really? That's insane, dude. That's actually insane. They walked into my TNT. Actually insane that that just happened. How did you get over here? How did you jump up? What is happening? Dude. genuinely what is happening right now. I'm just gonna go to the other spawner. Dude, this is actually absurd. Are they still mad? Like, bro, get a life. This is absurd. Actually absurd. Are these guys still mad is the real question. Yeah, they just never forget, huh? Okay, well, I can kill these now. Okay, we're chilling now. Dude, that was so unlucky. I didn't see a piglin. I wonder if he was like above. Or if I'm just bad. I'm scared one's gonna drop on me though. Like that. Dude. Did they wrap all the way around? Dude, what is happening? Dude, like, just die. Please, just die. This is actually insane. Fire resistance about to run out. I don't even know how many... I got 4. There's 1 million blazes. Okay, I'm up to 6 now. Let me try and get one more while I'm here. Dude, that was actually insane. Unlucky. I'm just gonna throw one right here. Dude, you're joking. What are the odds of that? Okay, it's almost definitely close. He hasn't blinded yet. Good. Crap. Okay, yeah, it's 700 blocks. Three, 8. I need to pick up 1. Okay. Oh. -12. It's like 80, 300. 80. Here. Two, 3, 2, 80, 306. Game render, level, entities, 8, entity distance. That's a good spike. Up or down? Down. How do I already hear silverfish? I literally already hear silverfish. How's that possible? We gotta go to the left. Oh no. Okay, this is probably not it then. I should just turn around, right? But it was... Dude, what? It has to be that way though. Unless this just curves an absurd amount back. No. This is wrong. This is wrong. I got crazy spikes to the left here. Like it really needs to go more that way. Which this does. No. Unless it was just a fake spike? Dude, it's just never gonna be here. Yeah, this is just completely wrong. Down here, lava. Dude, it's just never gonna be this deep. Oh, found it. Nice. Okay. Let's just... I have wood. You're joking. It was right over here, wasn't it? Dude, I don't have any wood. I have 10 wood. Dude, the library was right here, was it not? Dude. Dude. I see it. Oh wait, I just need wood. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 16, 17, 18, 19. That should be good. 20, 21. Let's just do that for now. Urch. Go, go, go. He's in the end too. It's gonna be close. Urch. Come on. I have a crossbow? No. Dude, it's gonna be... I have a bad feeling. Unless you purchase right now. Yup. Maybe. Let's go! Let's go! I died that run, remember? That was the death. Yeah, we're on the up and coming. Oh man. I missed it? What did I miss? Oh no. Okay, I'll play one more. Oh. Okay, never mind. I can't play one more. I have to go. Alright. It was fun. GG. Got some good stuff done today. 2 Minecraft games. And yeah. Yes.